In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reactivate a Google Ads account. To get started, open your web browser and go to the official Google Ads website. Once the page loads, sign in to your Google Ads account using your normal login details. After signing in, take a moment to make sure you are in the correct account, especially if you manage multiple accounts or switch between business profiles. This is important because you want to reactivate the right account before making any changes. Next, wait for the Google Ads dashboard, also called the overview page, to fully load. It's a good idea not to click around too quickly here, since some menu options may not appear correctly until the page is completely ready. Once you're on the dashboard, click on Tools and Settings. In some layouts, you may need to open the main navigation menu instead. Google occasionally updates the interface, so the wording or location may look slightly different, but the goal is to find the account management area. From there, select Setup or Admin from the menu options. Then click on Account Settings. This section contains the main configuration details for your Google Ads account, including whether the account is currently active or inactive. Now, locate the Account Status section. When you find it, click Account Status to open the Status Settings page. Here, you'll be able to review the current status of your Google Ads account. Take a close look so you can confirm whether the account is paused, canceled, or otherwise inactive. If the option is available, click Reactivate Account. After that, Google Ads may ask you to confirm the reactivation request. Go ahead and confirm it when prompted. This step is simply to make sure you really want to restore access and resume account activity. Once you've confirmed, wait while Google Ads processes the reactivation. This usually only takes a short time, but in some cases it may take a little longer depending on the account status or system response. Be patient and avoid closing the page while it updates. After processing is complete, refresh the page to check the updated account status. This helps ensure you're seeing the latest information instead of an older cached view. Finally, verify that your account is now active and ready to use. If everything looks correct, your Google Ads account has been successfully reactivated, and you can continue managing your campaigns as normal. Thanks for watching.